Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Lisa. Myself Lisa, I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. So today's class is the new topic, that is the sentence transformation formula, that is the assertive to exclamatory. Yesterday we was learning that was the assertive to interrogative, and first class we was learning that is positive sentence, that is assertive declarative to negative sentence. So today's we will be learn that is the new one, that is the transformation of sentence, that is assertive to exclamatory. Let's get started. Assertive to exclamatory. Before we learning assertive to exclamatory, first we have to remember what is the sentence assertive and what is the sentence exclamatory. Assertive sentence is that sentence which tells about true fact and nothing, but exclamatory sentence is that sentence it gives the strong emotion and feelings of a person. Assertive sentence is tell about fact and end with a period of full stop. Assertive sentence is that sentence is tell about fact and it stops and ends with a period of time, not full stop. Then example, Sachin is a very great player. It is the examples of assertive sentence. Exclamatory sentence is that sentence it gives strong emotion and feelings of a person and it ends with a exclamatory marks. So example is what a great player Sachin is. It is the exclamatory sentence. Okay, then when we will be change assertive to exclamatory, it begins to throw in the three steps, that was the move, remove and add. When we change the assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence and the transformation of assertive to exclamatory, in the through the three steps that will be changed. Let's discuss what is the three steps, how it will be changed. Let's start. This is the three steps. First one is move, second one is remove, third one is add. First one is move. First we will be know what is the move. Move is that is main verb word still helping verb end of the sentence. We only move that is the helping verb in the start of the sentence. When the helping verb is stay on the start of the sentence, so we will be take that helping verb in the end of the sentence. First step we have to do this. Then we will be discuss that is the second, that is remove. Remove is that only we have to remove the adverb in the sentence. Adverb like very, extremely, greatly, pleasantly, cleverly, all are adverb. So in the second step we have to remove only adverb in the sentence and nothing. That is secondly we remove adverb. Then third is the very important, that is if the sentence has article a, n and the three are called article. So in this case, if in the article of a is present, so what we will be use? If the n is present, so we will be so how. Okay, then in the third step we have to add what or how in the basis of the article presence. Like if a is used, then what we will be use, then n is used, so how we will be reuse. Okay, let's take the example through the steps, then we will be understand it better. Example, Sachin is a very great cricketer. It is the assertive sentence or it is the declarative and positive sentence. We have to move this into the exclamatory sentence. First we will be follow the move. Step 1, move. A very great Sachin is a cricketer. In the end of the sentence, in the helping verb we will be take in the end of the sentences. Then step 2, remove. This is the step 2 and remove adverb. I was saying only adverb we have to remove. A great cricketer Sachin is, we was remove, that is very is the adverb and we was remove this in the second step. In the third step we have to use a and n in the basis of the article. We have to use what or who. So here is a is used, so here what is used. This is the transformation of the sentence, that is the what a great cricketer Sachin is. It is the exclamatory symbol and it end with the exclamatory symbols and satisfies the three condition and three steps. So it is called the exclamatory sentence. It is called assertive and it is called exclamatory. It is the transformation of formula of assertive to exclamatory. Let's take example. He has extremely important exam. So we have to move this sentence to exclamatory. how important exam he has and end with the exclamatory marks. So it is called the exclamatory sentence. Ajay read very slowly, and it is the adjective sentence, we will be transfer into the exclamatory. So it is the sentence how slowly Ajay read, and it is the exclamatory mark. We have to lastly always end with the exclamatory marks, and adjective sentence always end with the period of time or full stop. It is the basis of the adjective to exclamatory, how it will be transfer adjective to exclamatory. It is all about adjective to exclamatory, how it transformation. So today's class we were learning adjective to exclamatory, and yesterday we was learning that is the adjective to interrogative, and first class we was learning that was the positive to negative sentence. It is all about sentence. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe, and you don't watch any video before, so I would highly recommended you see all those video, and that will be revise your, and also that will be benefit for you. Thanks.